Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back in the Triple Five Communication and Practice Session Distance, and I hope you guys are enjoying a lot distance. Now, so let's go to the first round of the day, and that is tongue twister. So the tongue twister of the day is I sleep the seat I sleep on the sleeted seat I seat. Once again, I'm just going to speak for you only distance. Now, I sleep the seat I sleep on the sleeted seat I seat. It is written below the screen. Just copy it, learn it, and send it to me distance. Now, I'll check it out. So let's go to the second round, and that is structure making round. So let me tell you, this is a wonderful topic distance today, and that is causative verb. Causative verb means मैंने उसे हंसाया, उसने मुझे रुलाया, उसने बच्चे को दौड़ाया. This is, if you want to translate this kind of sentences, these are known as causative verbs. Causative verbs means the verbs which have not direct passive English meaning. Means we have English meaning of hasna, laugh, but we don't have English meaning of hasana. We have English meaning of this is rona, weep, but we don't have English meaning of rulana. So this kind of verbs are known as causative verbs. So if you want to translate this kind of sentences into English sentences, now we can use make or makes in present and made in past. वह मुझे हंसाता है. He makes me laugh. मैं उसे रुलाता हूँ. I make him weep. उसने मुझे हंसाया. He made me laugh. मैंने उसे रुलाया. I made him weep. So these are the sentences. And if you want to learn this kind of sentence in practice, I have a question for you. डॉक्टर ने रोगी को टहलाया. So please translate it and comment in this in the comment box. I'll check it out. So go through the distance third round and the last round of the day, and to the personality whom you're going to check it out on YouTube distance and learn a lot of things from him. The personality, the name of the personality is Mahesh Babu. He's a great personality of Tamil Pictures distance. He's a nice speaker, a good orator. Really, it will be beneficial for all of you to watch him. So please go check it out and stay connected with the English station where you get complete English solution. Thank you. Keep learning English. Thank you.